Hello YouTube, welcome to Bird Game Part 3. How many more parts will there be? I don't know. Is Bird Game 3 a meme? Yes it is. It's a kitten. So right now we got a new poster in the background. It's a Godzilla poster. Above it is my Naruto and Sasuke poster. Some peak shit, man. Okay. Enough with the shitty intro. Pick up where left. Autosave. I think you can see everything. Yeah. So, last place that we left off, we beat the game thing. Maybe we should blow up that particular painting. Who's we? What? The video just started. Like, oh my god, we blew it up. You blew up the particular painting. It was gray, it was darker. Ugh. I know. What the hell? Oh, hold up. Hello. Is this the cheese guy? I am the master generation module. Generate twice and 3 times sold. What is it that you seek? I don't know. You want to leave? Okay. You could have just used a scriptus dragged cheese dog at the dwelling entrance. Here, I'll give you one. Okay. Cheese dog obtained. That bird. He just. What is happening? Am I ascending? Alright, all 3 of us made it. Hey, wait. Gastrointestinal grease fulfilled the liquid promise. Oh, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. What's his name? Master Fish? The Master Fisher bird? Bro, yo people is weird. Chase the superior molded knight. Wobblers dare not speak of the outer terraformed water container. Water container. City of Orange. We must inquire of the church officials the location of the renowned wrestling fish. Hey, buddy. Robotic rabbits encrust children. What? Or even the words that we are using. I gotta angle out a bit. Oh, there's a house back here and a duck. My windshield wipers befelt me. Wait, what? My guy. Okay, so that house is like up in the air or something. Foursquare is a terrible game. It makes my shoes dirtier than usual. Foursquare? I don't know, I liked Foursquare. We would play in like middle school. It was fun. You know, you guys should know four squares. So when you have that one person who picks one of the 4 corners, and if you picked that corner, you're eliminated. He's creeping up on me. Town Square. All right. Well, I'm glad that we have a friend of ours who knows, or I don't know about knows, but probably was born here. Can you believe it is already International Fish Day? No. Good morning. The church? Yeah, just go through the furthest north door and follow the signs. Okay. They're doing cereal milk baptisms at the cafe now. Huh. I wonder if this is that cafe. Oh. You said the furthest from what? Only those who are genuinely pure may enter the church. Well, I mean, we got the monk. And maybe me. What the helly? It's like the top part of a popsicle. What do I don't know what to do. Are you here to receive a complimentary cereal milk baptism? Yes. Okay, come with me. You feel the Holy Spirit within you. Get baptized, born of water. What else is here? There lies a strange cave off to the west. Okay. Church time. Time for Sunday service. Hello. I am the monk of this city. How can I be of assistance? The renowned wrestling fish, who all those years ago defeated the oculated animals. Well, there is a prophecy in the church library which may help you. However, there is a strange monster that has taken up residence in that room. The only way I can think to defeat it is to use holy water. But given that it is International Fish Day, the city has instituted a mandatory drought. Do seek out the church janitor. I feel like I'm talking too loud now. He may have a spare supply of water. Of holy water? We're not talking about no mop bucket, are we? This game refuses to not be loud. Like, I'm probably talking really loud right now. Proceeds. A wretched scent proceeds from the room. It is likely the sign of a monster. So only holy baptized people can come in here to the church, but somehow there's a monster in the church. I don't know what the fuck that was supposed to be. Oh, Saint, give us grace. Where do I find him? Is it... Oh my god. Why are you doing this to me? I just want to talk to the goddamn dudes to see if they're the janitor. Fuck. Where do I find the church janitor? The church janitor isn't even freaking in the church. You weren't here before. I am the janitor. Be hasty, for there is much time remaining. I have received insider knowledge from our Lord that a group of converginious creatures will arrive at our town momentarily. Oh shit, it's the purple ocular beings. Take this container of holy water and find the renowned wrestling fish. Yes, sir. Holy water obtained. Okay, let's go get that motherfucker. Oh, they have already arrived. Okay. We gotta save the town. Dang, he freaking, like, paralyzed both of my dudes. We're gonna bash you, we're gonna leech, and... Ever since my bird has started this match, this is the second time he's actually thrown a punch. They keep paralyzing him and doing no physical damage on him. 17 Bitcoin. Sorry, I don't do enough commentary and during the fights to show the full fight, because it's just me not talking and bullshit happening on the screen. Yep, there we go, easy peasy. I now officially do not like purple beings anymore. Unknowable chemical. Huzzah! Alright, get your bitch ass over here. You look a little different. Oh wow. Oh, he just got shit on. Let's get inside of this bitch. Oh, what the hell? The motherfuckers just cut us out. They're all up inside of the church. Wow, they are really like I don't know if they're following us. They might be following us. Or they're definitely they're strategizing and like trying to take over places. These purple beings. Wow, got nuked. Oh yeah, we are whipping ass now. Another one. Oh. Is everyone here safe? Do you have the holy water? Quickly, hastily follow me. Whatever. Well, we can walk faster if we're in a rush. Are you the monster? You splashed the monster with holy water. Oh, he died instantly. Well, that's a good sign. You read a prophecy. When the ground yields its feathered dead, a gang shall seek a magic fish. He is not found in the river, but among the birds of flesh. Westward, where no bird dare sing, through darkened veins and hollow caverns, there shall they find something strange, for his remains have all been scattered. We must seek out the fish in the caverns west of the town square. You read a prophecy. When the ground yields its feathered dead, a gang shall seek a magic. Is it the same? They're both prophecies. They're all three the same goddamn prophecy. Okay, I guess this was just an in and out job. Oh, but I just want to see if anything new is in here. You got anything you want to say? Good luck on your journey. Thank you. Oh, we are just running through these hoes. Okay, I don't know if I want to fight all of you again. Okay. The renowned wrestling fish! Hold up. I don't like this. I have too many... Nope, I can't even go in there. Never mind, I don't have too many options. Ooh, we are going somewhere special. Hello. You are all inferior adversaries. The renowned wrestling fish is not here, because I, the mayor of Housetown, have murdered him. Contrary to popular belief, these purple creatures did not arise from the ground, but from a thin can found in my walk-in closet. And now I, the mayor of Housetown, have murdered the renowned wrestling fish and encapsulated his remaining body parts into a potion. When drinking from it will turn me into an upgraded form, and I will take control of these purple oculid Carvinius and use the power of the global authorities. Through my direct violation of the 6th commandment, I have obtained all potions. Who the hell are you, Mayor? Okay, well, I guess that answers that. We're gonna go counter. Yep. Okay, so this guy's the big bad. He's the one that had brought the purple creatures to it. Dude, that guy was fucking dirt shit. You will never stop me once I drink the potion of the renowned wrestling fish. But we just whooped your ass. You should be crippled. Why did nobody go for his legs? Can I talk to you? Or you're a battle? Okay. We're just gonna jump the fuck out of you. I like the rainbow eye, honestly. I really do. Excuse me. Whoa, this dude has some freaky hair. Get out of my way. You're just in the way. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. Hello. Oh, you look interesting. A loon. He has a lot of men. Unfortunately, I don't think it's even if all 20 or 50 of them jumped us, I think we would still beat them. Easy peasy. Hello there. All good things must come to an end. We're not talking about the game, are we? May your pockets burst with finance. I don't know. Bladder. Frozen blueberry slightly scare enemies through damn blindation. I possess a few of these things. Loon hide. Loon, a permanent defensive boost. Found from... I own 9 of these. Found from backsides of Carvine. Retrieve the resurrection of a gang member. I have 9 of those. Spray enemy eye sockets. All attacks all enemies. Yeah, we're gonna need that. Shard. Shard molecule, kind of like steroids. It makes you stronger. We already have one. Gallbladder. Permanently adjust whatever that is. Okay. I don't think this is gonna be the end, even though it sounds like this might be the end. Okay. Well, here the team goes. Engard. Okay, what the hell? Versus 5? Okay. We're gonna slash these fuckers. We are going to counter goon. We're gonna counter you, upgraded mare. And we're gonna attack as many of those fuckers as we can. Because those guys, the goons are gonna be freaking easy peasy to take out. Wow. So many silly ducks. My gosh. The one on the far left, his neck isn't even connected. Okay. I think we're just gonna bash you on the head. We're gonna leech and we're gonna encapsulate. I don't really know what encapsulate does, but it does very low damage. Oh, you didn't dodge that one, motherfucker. Been playing a lot of like story mode games recently. Counter. Yep. Oh, they have my main bird paralyzed right now or something. Ooh, I should have used some potions on them. They are getting some hits off. Come on, Monk. We haven't even taken one of them out. We got this. Damn. Okay, Monk. Some strong counters. For us, we're gonna do slash. So do you heal off of leeching, Monk? I just gotta know. Where's the one where it's like, I wanna spray shit in their eyes. Do blindation. Inclusive attack? Let's see what this thing does. They're starting to dodge my stuff. Utilize frozen blueberry. Are they healing? Oh my god, that seemed like a lot of healing. Yeah, okay, so Leech does heal me. Leech does heal the monk. And we took out 2 of them. Hell yeah. 3 more. I don't think this is going to be the last battle. Alright, we are just going to try and eliminate you. Counter. And catalog again. Trees member. Okay, spray enemies' eye sockets. Yep, I want to do this. An angel of the Lord. Please tell me it did not use my cheese socket thing. The angel of the Lord has came to judge these mayoral interactions. What the hell? Yeah, let's see what the hell this dude's about to do. Forceful blow. Yeah, forceful blow first. We're gonna do that on, obviously, the mayor. So they all just came back, but now we have the actual Lord with us, who has so much HP and so much fish. I don't know what the hell fish is in this game. The Lord might have to carry. Did not hurt, bro. Monk. Pull through, Monk. God damn, he's just throwing a billion attacks. He has, so he drank the wrestling fish potion. Huh. Let's go, Yep, there we go. Whatever that is. Oh, cheese spray in the eye? Hell yeah. Honestly, the eyes of these guys might be their most weakest points. Everyone has a big ass eye in this game. Every character. Faster. Oh my god, Monk. Does he have a separate catalog than us? How do I use his fish to just, like, this guy away? Okay, Monk is down. Oh my god, that's Jesus on the cross. Oh wow, that's what that is. Okay. How about we do, yeah, we need to heal. Impervious barrier. Oh wait, what? I got healed and then... What? Why didn't it work? I used it on the monk. This is becoming a long fight. We're gonna go bash. I not use it on bro? No, it says resurrection of a gang member. The upgraded mayor had a heart attack from the Lord. The mayor is rightly commended to eternal suffering in Hades. It is finished. Defeat the Corvids. Yeah, Covids. Wow, that can't be it. Big upper left? Hold up. Well, we have just beaten Bird Game. So right now, I'm just gonna go through some extra content stuff because the game is not over yet. There's another ending. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're looking for that Greek fucking bitch. I hate going back to the place I just left. Another green guy. This green guy? I have a secret. Do you want to hear? Yes. There is a secret dungeon beneath this heptagon, in which there lies a golden fortune cookie. Though I have not observed it on my own, it combines multiple driven powers. Simply give Shotel and entrust this key onto the mayoral kitchen, and you shall arrive at the dungeon. Okay. So you take the key from that bird. You go back to the mayor's house. I talk to the kitty. Talk to me, goddammit. The mayoral kitty is hungry for a meal. Do you want to feed it the key? Yes. Ooh. There is no fortune cookie here. I am actually evil. Boy, what the hell? Aren't you the guy that, like, sold me a bunch of crypto? Dude, just die. Just die. No, he might beat my ass, low-key. He might low-key get my shit. No! Dude, I was beheaded. But I'm stuck in a fight that I may not be able to win. Oh, I won. Okay, I bet. 1 Bitcoin. You beat me. I guess I have to join your gang now. The real fortune cookie. Recruited Scary Bird. You're Scary Bird, the dude that sold me like 10,000 Bitcoin. Okay, let's see what Scary Bird does. We're gonna do slash pickle. Prickled. Okay. Hone. What the hell? Offensive capabilities. Oh, we're like, oh, he's dead. Oh, he's dead. I don't even know how much HP he has. Okay, so we had to restart the game because you can only fit so many people in your party. But I swear you can fit 4 somehow. But now we have just got the loon and we need some heals, so. Recruit the Loon Hunter. Okay, let's see what the Loon Hunter has in his pockets. I'm still low as hell, so bro has to clutch up. Imbuto? Okay, What was that, like a poison thing? Poison. Hello. Hello. Oh, that's why that's muted. Oh, I'm very dumb. I thought my stuff was busted, but dang, he just whooped that dude. We just whooped on that dude. Bash, and then we're gonna do Thirst. Wow. It does hella damage, and it just sucked out his defense. The Luna is good. The Luna is very strong. Spent $40 on this man. And so he has joined. Okay, now let's see where the next guy is. Of course I will spare you a frozen blueberry. Your helpful qualities will become rewarded in due time. Please make yourself at home. And that's how we could have avoided murdering them. The blueberry was the best. I cannot wait to see who is elected bishop at the local conclave. I will soon be screaming, Habemus Esquipico. Obviously that was very inaccurate. Oh my god, I just hit the craziest face when I saw this thing. Okay, so if you go back to the bridge, if you go back to the place where the bridge collapsed at, when you walk over to this corner over here, there's an upside down bird with a red eye. I just realized something I didn't save. Okay, the reason we closed the game is because we're going to save here because this man being on our team and not being on our team are very, very big dependables. I find a quest at hand. Join me into your clan and I shall bring great interference. Shut up. You will be remembered. Rebuke the Antichrist. Be gone. I find a quest at hand. Join me into your clan and I shall bring great interference. Okay. Recruit the Antichrist. Beginning of the end. Bro is literally an upside down bird. Dude, I think I have to play the annual games event again to continue. This is so annoying. Should've said no, fuck. Okay there, hello. We just got baptized. And now we shall see the Antichrist's abilities. Forceful blow. He only has 200 HP. And no fish. I don't know what the hell fish is. What it does in this game. The Antichrist hit him. Impose barrier. Interception. Do we just like dizzy them or something? One damage? What the fuck? He is ass. Okay. Bringing the Antichrist into the church. Yes, we have holy water, and it's not for the Antichrist. I know that I keep saying his name, but he's just such an interesting character, bruh. He does 1 damage, and he's upside down with the red eye. Okay, I already know about the prophecy All of these are goddamn prophecies. It said seek out in the town square. I know I just did this earlier. I never talked to these people. Good luck on your journey. Good luck on your journey. Good luck on your journey. I'm just gonna assume that they all say good luck on your journey. Okay, now where do I go? Look at him. He's looking at us while we're walking forward. That is some shit, man. Look at that dude. You are all inferior. So, this was such a plot twist. And, like, he murdered the wrestling fish and made him into a smoothie and drunk him to make him an all-powerful being. Which is just unfortunate. Okay, down he goes. Let's go get him. Gotta dodge all these dudes. Up, up. I don't know if these guys were like supposed to be very powerful, but they are not humongously tough. But their eyes are really cool. Well, but now I gotta prove it. Now I wanted to talk crap, now I gotta back it up. I love the music. I became very fascinated with the music. Just finish him off already. I'm trying to get on. Wow, he's whooping our ass, man. Thank you. Yeah, we don't want to fight them again. What do you have? All good things must come to an end. May your pockets burst. What can I buy? What should I buy? Makes you stronger. I want this. It only was 1 Bitcoin bet. Kinda like steroids, makes you stronger. I want to get at least 2. And then we are just gonna get a bunch of heals. Is there like a thing that heals? Revives the resurrection of a gang member. Oh shit. So they scared. Okay, yeah, we just gotta buy a bunch of these. Okay, bet. Yep. Final battle may commence, which is going to be very interesting because you know why. Unguard. We're gonna do counter barrier. Well, you know, it took me 3 hours to beat the game, and this has taken me maybe, an hour to get all the way back here after already beating the game. I will say I did play the what is it called? Wow. I played the games again, the puzzle thing. That was tough. Just working on us. Come on, let me pull out Leech. Thank God. Leech, burial. Oh, great heaven, may someone save us. Too soon. Because we are just fucked up. He only leeches for himself, he can't heal allies. That's unfortunate. I don't know how many times I have to survive for. Last time I killed like 2 of his allies and then everything had happened. Wow. I was about to say, they all just fucking counter my shit. All but one and he died. Pitiful. Wow. They really know how to beat me. Is this where we shall end? Is this where we shall lose? Bird gang was beheaded. You are judged guilty. Oof. Hold on, I need to look at something. Dude, I don't think I can beat them. It's really annoying. Now we're getting some crazy damage in out of nowhere. Oh, maybe I should have done another attack. Done another attack. Okay. Now we got this. Come on, boys. Okay, yeah. Okay, 2v2 right now. No way. We are gonna go. Where is it? Steroids, cheese spray, attacks all enemies. Okay, 1v all. I guess we'll go counter. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a fun way to win. Wow, this was lucky as hell. Just countering all of his attacks. It must be how Meliodas feels from the 7 Deadly Sins. Anytime he fights anyone stronger than him, just get on back. Frick you, bozo. Frick that guy. Hey, we beat him the second time. The freaking villain who who murdered and drunk like a drink the wrestling fish, the most important dude. The mayor's mangled remains lies unstillingly on the floor, and we beat them with the Antichrist. A righteous air fulfills the room. What the hell? Withdraw. Inclusive attack? What? Retrieve. Yeah, let's go, Lord. Oh, we're cooked. What the hell? Bro was on. Bruh. Hello. Where's my barbecue chicken? Damn, he just killed me before I could use it. Bird's gang was beheaded. By God, or whatever they called it, Lord. You and your gang are righteously commended to eternal suffering in Hades. There you are beaten, tortured, and enslaved by demons. Here is a photograph you took while laboring. Ooh. Visit Hades. You are judged guilty. Thank you for watching Bird Game. This has been an amazing experience, and this song will never leave my head. Take care.